Can you imagine this old damaged Rolls-Royce coming back to life again? What you are about to see is not just an ordinary restoration, but an incredible transformation, turning a forgotten piece into a luxury masterpiece that looks fresh out of the factory, and with every step of the process, the elegant details slowly return, leading to a final result you would never expect. After the dismantling process begins, the car is reduced into scattered small parts, preparing for one of the most important restoration stages, as the body is placed inside a special blasting chamber where powerful streams of air and sand strip away rust and old layers from the metal as if years of damage are being erased completely. Once the corrosion disappears, the true surface of the body slowly comes back to life. Then the detailed sanding process begins using multiple grades of sandpaper, starting rough and gradually becoming smoother until the once damaged surface turns into a clean, glossy finish, reflecting light beautifully, as if the car is reclaiming its original elegance piece by piece, ready for a luxury transformation worthy of the Rolls-Royce name. After completing the body cleaning process, the car finally begins to reveal its true luxury appearance as the exterior is coated in a glossy gold finish that gives it a bold presence and an elegance worthy of the Rolls-Royce name, with light reflecting beautifully across the new paint. The car starts to look more like a piece of art than a simple miniature model. At the same time, special attention is given to the interior components as the inner parts are placed into a cleaning solution to remove dirt and years of buildup before being carefully scrubbed with a fine brush, restoring their clean, detailed appearance. Once cleaned the interior, restoration continues with the seat's steering wheel and other cabin elements being repainted with precision, creating a refined, luxurious atmosphere that perfectly matches the stunning exterior, as if the car is slowly reclaiming its prestigious identity down to the smallest detail. After all the parts have been cleaned and repainted, the most satisfying moment of the restoration finally begins as every scattered component slowly comes back together, piece by piece, with great precision. The body is assembled, first, followed by the doors, wheels, windows, and detailed interior parts, carefully returning to their proper places, as if the Rolls-Royce is gradually regaining its soul. With every installed component, the car moves closer to its final luxurious form, transforming from a collection of separated pieces into a fully completed, elegant masterpiece filled with shine, refinement, and premium detail, as though every previous stage was leading to this exact moment where the car comes back to life looking more luxurious than ever before. At the end of this video, we reach the moment where everything quietly comes together. Sometimes, it's the small details that make the real difference, and what you've seen today is just an example of how things can take a different shape when they are given attention. If you enjoyed this type of content, don't forget to support the video with a like and subscribe to the channel, as it helps us create more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, God willing.